Hey programmers, this is just a quick tip for those of you who have upgraded to Grandma 3 version 1.5. If you are saving your shows in version 1.4 onto a thumb drive, and you take that thumb drive and you plug it into any console or on PC that has the version 1.5 on it, you get this pop-up. And that's because the file structure has changed. So let me take you through what your options are here. The first option, which is yes, but keep old, means that it's going to upgrade your thumb drive to have the new file structure that it needs to have, but it's going to leave all of the old stuff untouched. So if you want to move to 1.5, but you're a little bit worried about losing something, this is the version for you. But if you want to use 1.5 and you feel like, I'm never going to go back to version 1.4, then I would recommend using the option yes and delete old. Now what it's going to do is it's going to take your files and move them into the new structure. So let's say that you had something like some images that you want to import or export, or some fixture profiles. They're going to get moved from the old file structure into the new 1.5 file structure, and then the old structure gets deleted. Also a fine option. And then the last two options are for if you just really don't want to deal with this right now. You can say not now, or you could say no and don't ask again, which means you won't get this pop-up next time you plug your thumb drive in. I personally am going with yes and delete old because I don't think I'm going to go backwards in software, but that's just me. The file structure things that changed, I think primarily have to do with things that are imported and exported. So if you pick one of these options that say yes, thumb drive's going to be updated, you're good to go. If you're curious about the new file structure, take a look at your thumb drive and you're going to see a new folder called grandma3_library. So if you want to add something like an image to an appearance, this is the new folder you're going to go to. Then you're going to go to media, then you're going to go to images. Then you can find any images that you already had on your thumb drive. They've been moved here, or you can add new ones as well.